Alright guys, welcome back to this channel. So I want to quickly solve this particular summation question. I want to find the um, numerical value for this problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply indices by saying this is equal to, if I have the summation from 1 to infinity, this is 1 over n times 2 raised to the power of n times 2 raised to the power of minus 1, right? Which is the same thing as writing the sum from 1 to infinity, then 2 over n to the power of n. Do you agree? Good. So now this becomes 2 summation of 1 into n to the power of n. So this is where it gets interesting. So this is infinity, n starting from 1. It will be good to say 2 is the same thing as n starting from 1 to infinity of the integral from 0 to 1 over 2 of x to the power of n minus 1. You see that what we need to just show is that the integral from 0 to 1 over 2 of x to the power of n minus 1 is going to be 1 over n 2 raised to the power n. How true is that? If I should integrate this, that's going to be n to the power of n plus 1 minus 1 over n plus 1 minus 1. Okay, that's 0, 1 on 2. Then this goes, and I have x to the power of n over n, then 0, 1 over 2. Okay, and that would be 1 over 2 power of n over over n minus 0. Okay, so that's going to be 1 over 2 power of n, and that's exactly what I just did here. Is that okay? So now, proceeding from that angle, I'm going to say that this is 2. Let me bring back the integral and focus more on the summation for now. So integral, so n starting from 1 to infinity. Then here I have x to n minus 1. Okay, so if I should expand the summation, I'm going to have something like 1 plus x to the power of 0 of 1 plus x to the power of 2, and it goes to infinity. Is that okay? And meanwhile, this is the same thing as the sum to infinity, and it's going to be 1 over 1 minus x. Okay, because the sum to infinity is actually a over 1 minus r, and the first term here is 1. The common ratio here is x, so that's this. So permit me to write 2 integral from 0 to r will now be 1 over 1 minus x, right? So now I can easily do the integration of 1 over 1 minus x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to differentiate the denominator, which is 1. If I differentiate this as 1, and that's a minus 1, and I have 1 in the numerator. So what I'm going to do is just to have a minus of the lane of the denominator. Okay, and fix my intervals, and that'll be all. Very easy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.